each of the following 4 problems, 2 triangles are given. State whether the triangles are identical, not identical, or not necessarily identical. If the triangles are identical, give the conditions that explain why, and write a triangle correspondence that matches the sides and angles. If they are not identical, explain why. If it is not possible to definitively determine whether the triangles are identical, write the triangles are not necessarily identical and explain your reasoning. In this first one, we have angle, side, angle. And in the second one, we have angle, side, angle. And they match up. So these are identical by angle, side, angle. Our triangle correspondence has the points Q and N match up, O and P would match up, and M and R would match up. In number 2, we have angle, angle, side. Angle, angle, side. So these ones are also identical. And in this one, the point G matches up with the point Q, E matches up with R, and F matches up with S. In 3, I have side, side, angle, and side, side, angle. Side, side, angle isn't usually enough to say they are identical, but when that is a right angle, it is called hypotenuse leg. So they are identical. W, that right angle, matches up with E, the right angle in the second triangle. Y matches up with C, and X matches up with D. On the one on the left, I have one angle, then the side. I have one angle, and then I skipped this side, and I went over here. And then I have the 2 angle marks. So these ones are not necessarily identical because of the location of the side. You could also say the placement of the side length. If this side is the same, then we might be able to say they are identical, but we don't have enough information to say for sure.